In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can convert a lowercase text to an uppercase text. So let's start. Here you can see some month name which is in the lowercase. We want to convert it to the uppercase. For this, Excel provides a function which is called upper. We will use it. Let's start. Here we are going to enter equal, then write upper, then press tab, then select the text. This is our text and close the bracket. Enter. Now January is uppercase and drag it to the last. Now you can see that all the lowercase text has been converted to uppercase text. This is how you can easily convert a lowercase text to uppercase text in Microsoft Excel. Hope that you like this video. Thank you.